In the intricate world of legal battles and political maneuvering, few figures have captivated the public's attention as much as Donald Trump. His legal strategy, often described as unconventional, has been both lauded and criticized. But is there a method to what some perceive as madness? Let's delve into the complexities of Trump's legal maneuvers and assess whether they reflect a form of strategic genius. As of November 2024, Trump faces multiple legal challenges, including federal indictments related to election interference and the mishandling of classified documents, as well as state-level cases in Georgia and New York. These cases carry significant potential consequences, ranging from substantial fines to possible imprisonment. Yet, despite the gravity of these allegations, Trump has managed to delay proceedings, leading many to question the effectiveness and intent behind his legal tactics. A cornerstone of Trump's approach has been the invocation of presidential immunity. His legal team has argued that actions taken during his presidency are shielded from prosecution, a stance that has led to extensive legal debates and delays. This strategy was notably employed in the federal election interference case, where Trump's attorneys contended that his post-election actions were within the scope of his presidential duties and thus immune from legal scrutiny. This argument has been met with mixed reactions in the courts, with some rulings favoring Trump's position and others rejecting it. Another tactic frequently utilized is the strategic delay of legal proceedings. By filing numerous motions, appeals, and procedural challenges, Trump's legal team has effectively postponed trials and hearings. This approach not only buys time but also places pressure on the prosecution, potentially leading to weakened cases or even dismissals. For instance, in the classified documents case, Trump's attorneys challenged the legality of the special counsel's appointment, resulting in significant delays and ultimately the dismissal of the case by a judge appointed during Trump's presidency. Trump's legal strategy also involves challenging the legitimacy of the charges against him. By framing the indictments as politically motivated attacks, he seeks to undermine public confidence in the judicial process and rally his base. This narrative has been a consistent theme in his public statements and legal filings, portraying himself as a victim of a biased system. This approach not only serves to galvanize his supporters, but also places additional scrutiny on the judicial proceedings, potentially influencing their outcomes. A pivotal moment in Trump's legal battles was the Supreme Court's decision to grant him expansive immunity in the federal election interference case. This ruling effectively halted the prosecution and set a precedent that could impact future cases involving presidential actions. The decision was a significant victory for Trump, reinforcing his legal team's strategy and potentially providing a shield against other federal charges. However, this strategy is not without its risks. The reliance on presidential immunity and procedural delays may not be as effective in state-level cases where different legal standards apply. For example, in the Georgia election interference case, state prosecutors have argued that presidential immunity does not extend to actions that violate state laws. This presents a significant challenge to Trump's legal team, as they must navigate a complex legal landscape with varying interpretations of immunity and executive privilege. Moreover, the public perception of these tactics can be a double-edged sword. While some view them as savvy legal maneuvers, others see them as attempts to evade accountability. This dichotomy can influence public opinion and, by extension, the political landscape. Trump's ability to maintain support among his base while facing multiple legal challenges is a testament to the effectiveness of his narrative, but it also underscores the deep divisions within the country regarding issues of justice and accountability. In conclusion, Trump's legal strategy is a complex interplay of invoking presidential immunity, delaying proceedings, and challenging the legitimacy of the charges against him. While these tactics have yielded significant victories, such as the Supreme Court's ruling on immunity, they also carry inherent risks, particularly in state-level cases. Whether this approach reflects strategic genius or a high-stakes gamble remains a subject of debate. What is clear, however, is that Trump's legal maneuvers continue to shape the political and judicial landscape in unprecedented ways. We invite you to share your thoughts on Trump's legal strategy. Do you view it as a masterstroke of legal acumen or a perilous gamble? Join the conversation in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth analyses of current political events. For more information, check the description below.